All right, I guess we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm Bree Downs. I teach auto body collision repair here, and I'm also the transportation department coordinator. Our faculty has put together some videos to give you guys information about each of our programs. And after that, we will have two of our industry partners that have information to share with you guys about their businesses. And it'll be Anthony Dahl from Foley and then Megan Elsie from MJE. And then after we're done with that, then we will answer any questions that you guys have. Norma Jean, there's no sound.
Estimating.
Non-structural.
Hello, I'm Bree Downs.
And I'm Randall Levings, and we are the instructors in Seward County's Auto Body Collision Repair Program.
In our program, we teach everything connected to the way automobiles look.
That could be repairs to a fender bender or a major upgrade to make a vehicle look amazing.
Estimating.
Non-structural repair.
Welding and cutting.
Refinishing.
Plastic repair.
And mechanical and electrical repair.
Our students also take part in an ASC Master Certified Training Program,
which means students receive state-of-the-art, industry-driven curriculum, job readiness and placement assistance, and experience working on real-world projects.
Past projects have included students' own vehicles and jobs for local customers.
When you graduate, you will be ready for work in the real world. Potential jobs include body repair, refinishing, automotive frame or glass technician, automotive detailer, body shop assistant, or auto body supply employee.
In the Auto Body Collision Repair Program, we do everything possible to function like a family. We care about our students' lives on and off campus.
When you sign up for this program, you become part of a tight-knit group. In past years, we've run car washes and detailing appointments to raise funds.
We've taken trips to Las Vegas to the SEMA conference.
We also filled the semi-trailer with food donations for hurricane victims.
In the 17 years I have been part of Seward, our program has grown and changed, but the sense of community is still the same.
If you are interested in what we do, give us a call or email to schedule an appointment to visit us on campus.
Hello, I'm Bree Downs.
And I'm Randall Levings, and we are the instructors in Seward County.
Hello, I'm Stan Sanko.
And George McNitt.
We're both instructors in the Seward County Community College Automotive Technology Program. Between the two of us, we have nearly 75 years of automotive repair experience, and we're still learning new technology as time goes on.
My first car was a Vauxhall, and it's 3 on a tree with a 4-cylinder engine. Wasn't much of a car, but it got me around.
My first car was a 1951 Willys I bought when I was 14, and I still have it today.
There was no such thing as computers back in those days, and that's something that's come on the scene now that we have to deal with.
Today in automotive technology, students have to combine technology awareness with the basics, and we're here to teach you all about it.
We take you through inspection, repair, maintenance of the vehicle's mechanical and electrical systems, and late model cars and light trucks.
We are part of the NATEF Foundation, which means our students learn basic mechanical skills along with complex automotive diagnostic procedures, all through hands-on training.
Students work with up-to-date equipment that's younger than I am and professional quality tools.
And the importance of having the right tool never changes, George.
That's right. In our multiple bay lab space, students work on real-world projects provided by local customers. A lot of hands-on training.
Send us an email, give us a call, or better yet, stop by.
We'll be glad to show you around and get you enrolled.
Hi, I'm Michael Dowling, your diesel technology instructor at Seward County Community College. Diesel technology students learn the mechanical skills to service and repair diesel-powered equipment. That's over-the-road trucks, heavy-duty industrial equipment, farm machinery, even diesel-powered pickups. These modern and late model engines are not just bigger versions of everyday vehicles. We teach students the difference and the special skills to diagnose, repair, and maintain these engines. Besides equipping students to take care of the diesel engines, we also cover leadership skills from management training, organizational skills for record keeping, and failure analysis. Diesel technology is an area that a lot of people don't think about in everyday life, but those big engines are often what keeps everyday life happening. There's a steady demand for workers in many different settings, from transportation to agricultural, railroad, marine, and power companies. As more freight is shipped across the country, additional diesel-powered trucks will be needed to carry freight. Wherever trains and pipelines are not available for economical, in addition, diesel cars and light trucks are becoming more popular, and more diesel technicians will be needed to maintain and repair these vehicles. If you like working with your hands and being part of something big, diesel technology would be a great fit for you. When we talk about education that works, we mean it literally. Shoot us an email or call or stop by the shop. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'm Michael McCarthy, lead truck driving instructor in the CDL truck driving program at Seward County Community College. Do you love the open road? Enjoy seeing new places? Like to work on your own? You might be suited for a life of a truck driver. When I started out delivering milk and eggs throughout the Pennsylvania countryside, I had no idea that I was refining my skills that would help me support a family and complete a successful career. In our truck driving program at Seward, we make sure that students get the same set of skills and experience to enter the industry. You will learn vehicle equipment control, setup and inspection, basic maneuvering and handling, over-the-road record management, and preventive maintenance. With opportunities for both men and women to become truck drivers, the field is one of the fastest job markets in the country. Students who successfully graduate do so with a full CDL Class A license. You will receive hands-on training with up-to-date conventional tractors and 48 and 53-foot trailers. Receive hands-on training in coupling, uncoupling, inspections, and air brake adjustments. Learn about vehicle equipment control, vehicle setup and inspections, and basic maneuvering and handling. Practice driver proficiency. Complete the program with knowledge and training in first aid, CPR, National Safety Council's defensive driving, and entry-level training in accordance with 49 CFR 380.503. From the early days when truck drivers checked in to dispatch at payphones on the highway to computerized connections available now, truck driving has changed, and SCCC focuses on staying up to date. Basic principles of safety and responsibility remain steady, and good business and customer service skills will make you successful. Now more than ever, truck drivers keep our country thriving and provide an essential service for people in all industries and sectors. You can become a part of that when you join our program.
Were you the one always playing in the sandbox with your trucks? Were you the one who could and would fix anything? Were you the one that always wanted to know how it worked and how it could work better? Are you the one that wants more than just a job? Are you the one that steps up and takes action? Are you the one that isn't satisfied with the typical path or the typical pay? Are you the one your family depends on? Are you the one who understands technology? Are you the one that wants the freedom to do what you love? Foley is looking for employees just like you to help our customers with the service and support they need to keep their businesses running. Are you the one?
Bree, I'll go ahead and jump in if you don't mind.
Yeah, that's fine. Go on ahead.
You bet, absolutely. Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Anthony with Foley Equipment Company. I'm based out of Topeka, Kansas, but we'll go over our different locations here in just a second. We're going to run through some slides, give you a really side view of what we do at Foley Equipment, as far as dealerships go, and thanks for moving on to the next slide, that's our leadership. Started out in 1940 with Paul Sr. and progressed up to his son, Skip, in 73, took over as president. And our current principal and CEO is Ann Conestany. So we are a family organization. That's something that we're really proud of, and certainly glad to add more members to the family. So that's who we are as a dealership. If you want to go to the next slide, Bree, or Norma Jean, I'm sorry. And then this is really our territory. We're 104 counties in Kansas and 40 in Missouri. We have 15 different cities that we're located in. Of course, they're in Liberal as well. Of those, 2 of them, we don't have any technicians other than field, both in Liberal and Great Bend, but everywhere else, we're looking for internship type people to come work for us during the summer. And we recruit obviously from Seward County Community College. So if you're going into diesel, automotive, or gas compression, certainly those are different, the technicians that we're looking for to come do summer internships with us. So all across that territory, we drive about 16,000 miles a night delivering parts to our customers. And the reason we do that is because they have to keep their machines running, and they don't care for breakdowns. So our job is to keep them running. And that's how we do our business. Next slide, please. Construction, really the backbone of our whole company is this, and we go anywhere from underground mines and salt mines in Hutchinson, underground salt, or excuse me, let's see what's the other ones they have. Oh, underground gypsum mines as well as rock mines, all the way to agricultural support, as well as heavy highway and construction. So really, we touch a little bit of everything all over both the states that we have. Next slide. Power Solutions, this is a pretty cool one where we go through and we work on different generators and gas compression units at either hospitals, concert events, hotels, even in the 2015 World Series, we were involved in that one as well because they had some issues. So really, really growing. Probably their fastest growing segment of our business is still Power Solutions. So if you're really good at electricity and like we're dealing with engines as well, this is a great one to get into. Next slide. Truck service, this is head to tail on our, basically headlight to tail light on our trucks. And this is everything in between. As you heard Michael speak a little bit ago, the trucking industry is a huge, huge segment, and it doesn't stop. If you guys have touched it or bought it, it probably came by truck. So it's a wonderful part of our business. Many, many overhauls, a lot of repairs, DOT inspections. So if you're a truck person and want to get into that, this is really a good segment to jump into. So again, we have 3 worlds we work in: truck, heavy equipment, and power generation. So next slide, please. And really this in here, this slide I want to talk about, we saw a little guy driving his truck. Are you the one who wants to be a technician? And when I say that is getting your hands into the job and learning by doing. And then the 4 things I could give you from a technical point of view, and actually more of a parent point of view, really is be available, be on time, be positive, and be ready to learn. If you're going to be those 4 things, things are going to come to you in a really great fashion. So again, ask yourself if you're the one to do that, and we'd love to talk to you after that. Next slide, please. Here's our career path, and what this means is you can see which way to go and how to get there. We have each one of these different career paths has their own objectives, especially on the technician side. So you can start as an intern with us during the summer, and then after that, go full-time once you finish your school there at Seward County. Your second year, come back and work for us full-time at one of our locations, and you can move your way up. How you do that is how you see, you can see which way to go on that by checking off your objectives. And like myself, I've had, of the different positions on there, I've had 7 of those over my 32 years. So it's very, very easy to see how to get there. We show you the path, how to get it done. Next slide, please. So here's a real quick shot and of me a long, long time ago. So again, I've had 7 different jobs with the company, and way back when I was a field technician, probably one of the most rewarding jobs I ever had. But as time goes, from a benefit point of view, make sure you take care of yourself as a person, both financially and physically. Those people that are standing next to me, the one young man on the fuel tank is now a first lieutenant, United States Marine Corps, and just got married. And the young lady in my right arm is now an 8th grade English teacher. So my point to sharing that with you is that time goes by very, very fast. So make sure you get into a great company, hopefully like Fully Equipment, that has a retirement program like a 401k, life insurance, health insurance and stuff, to make sure you take care of your family and yourself as well. So our last slide here, go ahead, please. So here's our information. Take a quick snapshot of that. Again, we're looking for interns to go through our summer program once they finish up between their 1st and 2nd year at Seward County, and then come on board for us. So I'm excited to talk to you. Please, again, reach out to us at folleyeq.com/careers or my cell phone down at the bottom. Again, this is Anthony with Foley Equipment. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Anthony.
Megan?
Yep, I'm right here. My name is Megan Elsie, and I'm with MJE in Montezuma. We are a full-scale excavation dirt work company, and we've also opened a new division in Montezuma where we manufacture our own livestock equipment. We work hand in hand with Foley. They are great partners for us, and we are so excited to get to talk to you today. We started in 1974 in Montezuma with Max Jans, and next slide. And we started with just one scraper, and now we've got over 450 pieces of equipment. So we're always looking for diesel techs, for truck drivers. We operate in a 500-mile radius, and so there's opportunity for travel. We also have positions where you'd stay in one location. Next slide, please. We also expanded our business, like I said, to include a livestock manufacturing facility. In this facility, we make gates, panels, chutes for loading cattle, things like that. And next slide. Again, this is just this clip right here, this image is just a little bit of our fleet that we have. But like I said, we have over 450 pieces of heavy equipment that we're always looking for people to operate, to maintain, to load on trucks and bring it to the job sites. These are just some of the industries that we serve. If you'll just click through, they'll come on, but we operate and we construct feed yards, dairies, highways, reservoirs, wind farms, landfills, sporting venues, and ethanol plants. These are just a few of the things that we've built in the last few years. And at our livestock manufacturing facility, we manufacture equipment for all those places. These slides here are just a few pictures. You can keep going through, Norma Jean. These are just a few of the pieces of equipment that we have. You can see there's some Foley equipment right there. And so we're always looking for qualified people. Right now, I believe, I spoke with our HR director yesterday, and we have 32 jobs to fill right now. So we are, there's a lot of work to be had right here in Western Kansas. Let's see. Yeah, these are just a few of them. I know our diesel techs, as soon as they get out of school, they're equipped with a truck that has all the tools that they would need, and get them out on the field. We also, I wanted to mention that if we have any students that are interested in attending the diesel tech programs at Seward County, our HR director has spoken with our GM, and we'd like to put together some scholarship money. So if you are looking to attend these programs and go through school, we'd be happy to talk with you about how to help pay for that. You can go on to the next one. Some different opportunities that we have with MJE. You could just skip to the next slide, Norma Jean. Two of them, I think. But some of the different opportunities we have project managers, we have an estimation and pricing division. We offer CAD design, we do land and drone surveys, we have accounting, human resources, safety, marketing, purchasing, field supervisors, equipment mechanics, welders, and construction labor. These are just a few of the jobs that we offer. We also have really good benefit packages. That's something that MJ is really good with. We offer full insurance for dental, medical, and vision. There's life insurance available, disability insurance, and lots of paid vacation and sick time. And we're paid every week. A lot of people like that. It was a nice adjustment when I started at MJE, getting a paycheck every week versus maybe waiting a month or 2 months or however they're set up. Another thing that we strive to offer, the calf hutch latch was an invention that one of our customers helped us kind of launch. They were looking for something that we, to help keep hutches tied down, and innovation is really, really prized at MJE. So after you get your education and everything, come onto the field, and we're always looking from within to see what the next big thing is that we might try to tackle. And on that last slide there, I've got an application link right there, but we're also available at mjellc.net. And we have new websites launching in the next couple of weeks, but feel free to reach out to us anytime if you are interested in, like I said, getting some scholarship money to attend those programs at Seward County. We'd be happy to help. We're always looking for good employees.
Okay, thank you, Megan. Does anybody have any questions for me or for either of our business partners? Norm Jean, can you unmute him?
Go ahead, Chris.
Which one would be best if I want to work on like gas motors and engines and cars and all that? Which one would be better?
That would be the automotive, the mechanics, which would be Stan and George.
Okay.
And you're welcome to come out and take a tour of all of the programs if you would like. Anybody can. Any other questions? Okay, I can tell you a little bit more about my program. So here in the auto body, we do ICAR program, and it's online. All of your book work is online, and once you complete it, you get certification for paint or finishing, non-structural repair, and it's an ICAR certificate, and it's a credential known in the body, any body shop knows ICAR, and it's very well recognized. We go 3 semesters full-time. You can come as high school juniors and seniors, and then once you graduate, you can finish your finish our program to get your certificate, or go on and get your associates. Henry, do you have anything to say about diesel?
Yeah, just a little bit here, but I mean, with diesel, we work on anything from pickups to gas compression engines. We work on diesel engines in semis, even little diesels in cars, like a little Volkswagen Jetta. We learn how to work on the small engines and the big engines also. Not only just the engines, we learn how to work on brake systems, the air systems on semis. I mean, just about everything there is with, if it has a diesel engine, we learn about it, basically. I mean, that could be anything from, you know, a semi to a pickup, just anything.
And how long is your program?
It is 3 semesters, and we allow high school juniors and seniors to attend also. I know people that get their certificate at their high school graduation that came through this program. So it's something to definitely look into if that's something you're interested in.
I believe all of our programs take juniors and seniors other than truck driving. And to do truck driving, Michael said you have to be 18 to be able to get your CDL. And then you can drive in your home state until you're 21. Then you can go any other state. Anyone else have any questions? Okay, thank you all for joining us today. I know it's a little different from last year's Tech Expo, but glad to see we had quite a bit of participants. And if there's anything we can do for you, if you want to come look at our programs, email, call, come out and make an appointment. Don't forget your masks.